Python data types. Built-in data types. In programming, data type is an important concept. Variables can store data of different types, and different types can do different things. Python has the following data types built in by default, in these categories. Text type, str. Numeric types, int, float, complex. Sequence types, list, tuple, range. Mapping type, dict. Set types, set, frozenset. Boolean type, bool. Binary types, bytes, bytearray, memoryview. NoneType, NoneType. Getting the data type. You can get the data type of any object by using the type function. Example. Print the data type of the variable x. Setting the data type. In Python, the data type is set when you assign a value to a variable. Example. Setting the specific data type. If you want to specify the data type, you can use the following constructor functions. Example.